Alright, today I want to do some city riding. So I'm here at the movie theaters of Antwerp, the Kinepolis. And this is my starting point for today. I'm gonna ride towards over there, and I'm gonna hit the traffic. This is rush hour intentionally because I wanted to show you how nimble the CB500X is in traffic. I took off my panniers, as you can see, because that's always better when you're riding in traffic to not have panniers. Especially the panniers that I have, they're wider than the steering handlebars, so I don't want to scratch any cars today, so that's why I took them off. Before I start riding again, I want to thank all the people that commented on the previous video's movie quote. Your comments are right here on the screen. At the end of this video, there's another movie quote. If you want to guess that, your comment will be in the next video. Alright, let's go. Just one more thing to point out before I start my engine. Everything I'm gonna do today is legal. I live in a country where lane splitting is completely tolerated, so I'm not gonna do anything that's not allowed, obviously. That being said, you should always be careful when doing so, because it's not without risk, of course. So I still don't have a microphone, so I'm gonna try and just yell at the camera at some point when I'm standing still like this. There's a lot of traffic lights in Antwerp, like in every big city, so I should be able to get enough opportunities to talk. Alright, so that big street that I just went, that's the Italia Lei, and that's like the street that cuts through Antwerp. So if you want to go from one side from Antwerp to the other, you could take that street. It's a very busy street, but now I'm going to enter the center towards, you know, where the cathedral is and everything like that. And I stopped here because My sister used to live in that building, and yeah, I just stop at random places where I have certain memories. There's been a lot of working in Antwerp, so everything has changed since a couple of years that I live here. So yeah, it's pretty cool to see. This is the boat place and the museum called Mas. You can actually go to the rooftop of that museum for free. You can just go up and have a panorama view. So maybe I'll just do that. When I walked over here, I thought it would be closed, but I think it's open. It's closed. There are people inside, but they're working there, or they have appointments with certain people and stuff like that. The people outside the door said to me, you have to buy a ticket and everything now. So it's not even free anymore. So that's too bad. So now I'm at the Kaaien, and that's a street that follows the Schelde. The Schelde is a portion of water over there that comes from the sea and goes to the harbor. And a lot of people use this street to get to the center by car. If you look to the left here, you'll see the cathedral. This is the Nationalstraat. Right here, if I can. This is where I went to college. College that I went to is called Thomas More, and it's got multiple campuses, so that was one campus, and I'm going to the other one. Thank you. And then here it's to the left. Let me see if I can, no, it's green already, I'm not gonna force it. Ooh, I can't go left. I just saw on the board. I want to go left. Let me just see if I can find it. It was a left here, but it's as I said, there's a lot of working going on in Antwerp. I don't know where to go, but I guess I'll go here. This way. Maybe I'll just go left. Yeah, I think I can recognize something. Yes. That was the street that's blocked off. Let's go right here. On the right here. There's another motorcycle here. Right, I'm gonna go inside if I can, just to have a look, get some memories going. For the people wondering, no, I'm not trespassing. This is all public area. There's a library over there, so it's just pretty cool to be here after 3 years of studying here, living here, and then being gone for a couple of years. It's pretty cool to walk around here. The restaurants and everything is closed, of course, but it's still pretty cool. I'll show you like the main sitting area. Alright. So I made it to the roof. Again, it's a public area. I'm not trespassing. You can just come over here, have your lunch, do what you want. Very cool. Ooh, that was a lot of stairs. It's actually pretty crazy because all the doors are just open. You can just enter. You can go wherever you want in the school. Nothing is sealed off or anything, so it's crazy. It's just open buildings. Go inside, you know. So I don't usually ride in the traffic or in the city, but I'm actually glad I did today because you know, this experience is really cool to just come here and walk around here. But now it's getting late, so I have to go back home. But right now I'm at the other side of Antwerp, so I have to go through Antwerp again. So enjoy the ride home, and after that I'll do the outro and I'll give you the next movie quote. This is gonna be difficult. We'll just wait. We're not in a hurry. I could probably fit through there, but I'm not gonna. I don't feel like it. take the highway, so you're gonna have a taste of what it is to be on the highway on the CB500X. I'm gonna make a video about that in the future, but you know, you can already see in this video. Alright, I'm back home. I decided to take the highway because I thought it was going to rain, and at the end it started raining. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and now guess this movie quote. It wasn't the airplanes, it was beauty killed the beast.